Hello guys, welcome to our channel NetCast on WebTech. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to remove Gmail account from computer. Okay, so let's start with the video. Here you can see I am on my Gmail account. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So you can see I have login with the 4 account. Okay, so here you can see I have login with the 2 account and I want to remove this account from here. Okay, so first way simple, you can log out first. You have to log out first, and after that you can remove account from this from Chrome browser. Okay, and second is a very this is a trick. Okay, you have to log in this account in another device, like you can log in with your Android phone or iPhone, or you can log in with another computer and log in with this account and go to the manage your Google account with another device and go to the security and just find your device and just click on manage device, and you have to find your desktop, your uh, first desktop, and you will find this option and you can sign out from your desktop. So it will be signed out. If you don't want to remove, if you don't want to use first option, that you need to log out from all account first. So if you want to log out, you can log out from here. It will be log out from your old device, Gmail account, and it will be bring you the this page where you need to log in again. So you can see, and if I can remove from here. Okay, just click on it and it will remove account from here. Just click on it, it will be removed, and you can add another account also. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.